Hey there, tech fans. Welcome back to another episode of Technically You, where we break down the latest tech innovations in a way that's fun, engaging, and, let's be honest, sometimes a little mind blowing.
Today, we're flying high. Literally, we're diving into the world of autonomous drones. No pilot, no problem.
That's right. These flying robots are becoming smarter, faster, and more independent every day. But what exactly are autonomous drones and how do they work?
So let's break it down. Autonomous drones are UAVs, unmanned aerial vehicles, that don't need constant control by humans. They use artificial intelligence, computer vision, and machine learning to make decisions and navigate on their own.
Think of it like a Roomba, but airborne, and hopefully less likely to crash into your lamp.
Unless your lamp is in a warehouse and the drone is scanning barcodes.
So, how do these little geniuses fly around without bumping into trees, birds, or buildings?
They use a mix of sensors like GPS, LiDAR, and cameras, and onboard computers to process that data in real time. They either follow a pre-programmed route or adjust their flight path based on conditions.
It's like a self driving car, but in the sky, dodging birds instead of traffic.
Now let's talk about benefits. Autonomous drones are shaking up industries. In agriculture, they monitor crops, spray pesticides, and even help with seeding.
In logistics, they're transforming cargo delivery. No more sitting in traffic, just launch and fly straight to your door. Pizza from the sky, anyone?
Warehousing too. Drones do inventory scans, track stock, and reduce human labor. It's like having eyes in the sky that don't need coffee or bathroom breaks.
Of course, with automation comes the job market debate. On one hand, we're seeing new roles in drone operation, maintenance, and data analysis.
But on the other hand, repetitive jobs like warehouse inventory checking could slowly fade. It's about adapting, like swapping your tool belt for a tablet.
It's not all smooth flying, though. These drones face real limitations, like weather issues, battery life, and loss of GPS.
Regulations are a biggie. In the US, the FAA has strict rules for flying in populated areas, especially if the drones are out of sight.
Then there's the privacy issue. People aren't too thrilled about flying cameras hovering above their backyards.
And let's not forget hacking. Security for autonomous drones is critical. Imagine someone hijacking your drone delivery of limited edition sneakers. Yikes.
Luckily, researchers and agencies are hard at work. NASA's PAAV program is helping drones share airspace with traditional aircraft.
Also, AI-driven monocular vision systems are making drones cheaper and more energy efficient, all while helping them navigate better.
The future? Super promising. Longer battery life, smarter AI, and miniaturization mean drones will be everywhere. Farming, emergency rescue, traffic monitoring.
And don't forget voice-controlled drones. Alexa, send a drone to pick up my burrito.
Now that's what I call lunch on demand.
Can you use autonomous drones at home? Yes, for things like property surveillance, package delivery, or even lawn monitoring.
Just make sure your neighbors are cool with it, or you might get drone bombed with dirty looks.
So, whether it's farming, delivery, or warehouse wizardry, autonomous drones are changing how the world operates, one propeller at a time.
They're smart, they're fast, and they're here to stay. Just don't let them mistake your patio umbrella for a landing pad.
Thanks for flying with us on Technically You. If you enjoyed the episode, like, follow, and drop a review. Got questions or drone stories? Hit us up.
Until next time, stay curious, stay airborne, and don't forget to recharge both your drones and yourself.